Pardon this quick little video before we get to the big video with the basic firewall and advanced firewall wizards next, but it occurred to me while I was making the basic wizard videos that I should have mentioned what the IP addresses were at the beginning of the video. I kind of go into it in the middle, but it's better that you know them now. And certainly nothing complex here, but let's zing down here. We have a loopback that we're not going to use in the basic video, basic firewall wizard video, that is, but we will use that in the advanced wizard. These are the ones that we're really using in both of them. Fast Ethernet 00 with the address of 10.111/24. That is your inside network. That's going to be our trusted interface. And Fast Ethernet 01 with the address of 210.111/24. That is going to be the outside interface, or the untrusted interface, as the wizards will tell us at least 24 times. But I wanted you to know what those addresses were before we got started. So now that we've done that, let's head for the basic firewall wizard video.